Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you all fine. Okay. First, firstly, I apologize for the last few days I was not available because I was traveling. So students, I hope you all understood till last class. So all of you take your test max textbook copy and a pencil, rough copy. Take page number 10, numbers up to 10,000. And we have completed this all, and last up to 1.1 we completed a 1.1 exercise in all questions. In the last class I have shown about abacus, and today we are going to learn more about it. Understood? What is abacus? What is abacus? Can anyone say? An abacus is a manual deal to calculating number. An abacus is a manual deal to calculating number. Okay. 4-digit number. What is digit? Digits are the parts of a number. Okay. Here already given. They shown this C abacus in the last beats. What is last in the last column or ones column? How many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. Step 1, 4 beats are there, and step 2, 2 beats are there in the tens column, and step 3, 4, or how many beats are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beats are there. And last step 4, in the 1000 column, how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats are there. Okay, which number is there? Which number is there? Can anyone say? In the first picture they are given 4 beats in the ones column. 4 beats. 4 beats in the ones column. 4 beats in the ones column. Okay. 4 beats in the ones column, and the second one 2 beats in the tens column. So we have to write here 2 beats in the tens column, and here, and third one, how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beats in the hundreds column. 6. And last one, how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beats in the thousands column. 5. So which number is this? Say, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we can write 5 beats in the thousands column. So 5,000, 6 beats in the hundreds column. So 600, 5,600, and 2 beats in the tens column. So 2 tens, 20. How many beats are there in ones column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats are there in the ones column. So 4. See, 5,624. Understood? Please students, do these 3 numbers. First one is 6256, and second one is 7289, and third one is 4296. In the help of abacus, do and send it on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, student, once again 6256, 7289, and 4296. These 3 numbers. Okay, exercise 1.2. Find the abacus and write the numeral and number name. Okay, first one they are already given. Okay, in the ones column, how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have to write here 3. And In the tens column, how many beads are there? There is no beads, so we have to write 0. And in hundreds column, how many beads are there? 2 beads, so we have to write here 2. Understood? And in thousands column, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are there, we have to write here 3. So 3203. Understood? 3203. Understand? Okay, next one, B. Okay, how many beads are there in ones column? How many beads are there in ones column? How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. So we have to write 4. 4 beads are there in ones column. And the second one, how many beads are there in tens column? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write here 4. And next one, how many beads are there in hundreds column? 1, 2, 3. So we have to write here 3. Understand? And last one, how many beads are there in thousands column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write here 5. So which number is this? Which number? First, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 5,000. 5,300. 3 is in hundreds column, so 300. 300. 4 tens. 4 is in tens column, so 4. No, this is actually 5,340. 40. The last one more number is there, 4. 44. Very good. 5,344. Understand? Okay, next one. How many beads are there in ones column? 1 bead. 1 bead is there, and second one, 1 bead is there, so we have to write here 1. Next one, in tens column, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write here 5. And in hundreds column, how many beads are there? In the hundreds column, only 2 beads are there. 1, 2. Okay, next one, you say. How many beads are there in thousands column? Say, all of you. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. Very good. 4 beads are there, and just to count how many digits are there. What is digit? Digits are the part of a number. Okay, how many digits are there? How many digits are there? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4,000. 4,200. 4,200. 5 is there, so 50. Okay, very good. 51. Okay, 4,251. Very good. Last one, this one is homework just to do. Okay, next, second question. Here it is given. Write the numerals. Write the numeral of each of the following. You have already studied place value chart. You can draw a chart and do it. First one already given, 6,500. 2 tens, 7 ones. So here already given, this column is for ones, and second one tens, and third one hundreds, and last one, this fourth one, 1,000. So first 6,000, so 6, 500, so 5, 2 tens, so 2, and 7 ones, so 7. Okay, next one, 9,000. 9,000. So 9,000. And here 300, and here 110. That means 9,000. So there is no ones, so we can write here 0. Understood? Understand? And next one, 2,300, 9 ones, 2 ones. Sorry, 9 times 2 ones. So we can write here 2,300, 9 times 2 ones. Same way, 3,200. Okay, you are thinking like that, where is tens and where is ones? So we can write here like this, 3,200. 3,200. There is no 10 is there, so 0 here, and there is no ones is there, so 0 here. So 3,200. Understood? And last one, 5,900. There is no tens and there is no ones, so we can write here 5,900. 0 and 0. Okay, understood? Okay, next one, fill in the boxes with the missing digits. 2,380. There is no number in ones, so this is 2,380. Understood? So 2,308 tens and 0 ones. I hope you are all understood. And one more, 3,405. 3,400. And there is no, only 0 is there in the tens column, so 0. And 5 is there in ones column, so 5. 3,405. And next one, 8,261. 4 digits, ones in the ones column 1 is there, and in the tens column 6 is there, hundreds column 2 is there, and thousands column 8 is there. So 8,261. Understood? Next one, 3,009. 3,009. So in the ones column 9 is there, and tens column 0 is there, and hundreds column 0 is there, and thousands column 3 is there, so 3. Here 0, 0, 9. Understood? This 2 do as a homework, this 2. Okay. Okay students, now I will add a video for help you to understand the numbers up to 10,000. It will surely help you. This video will surely help you, that I know. So watch it carefully and enjoy the numbers. So students, let us wind up today's class. So see you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.